This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Let's add doubles. When you add doubles, the two numbers you are adding are the same. For example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 3 plus 3 equals 6. You might see doubles on a pair of matching shoes, in a carton of eggs, or on a pair of matching dice. Let's say we have 5 crabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 crabs in this row. Let's double these crabs and add another row of 5. We can find the total with the addition problem 5 plus 5. Let's keep counting past 5 to see how many total crabs we have. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great! There are 10 crabs in all. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Another way to remember 5 plus 5 is there are 5 fingers on each hand, and that's 10 fingers in all. Let's do another example. Let's say we have 7 plus 7. Look at these sea turtles. There are 7 sea turtles in this row. Let's double these sea turtles and add another row of 7. Let's count on from 7 to see how many total sea turtles we have. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great! There are 14 sea turtles in all. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's do one more example. Let's say we have 9 plus 9. Look at these starfish. There are 9 starfish in this row. Let's double these starfish and add another row of 9. Let's count on from 9 to see how many more starfish we have. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Great! There are 18 starfish in all. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Great job! Here is a list of the first 10 facts for adding doubles. Keep practicing and you'll know all of them in no time.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.